Yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? You know who this is. This is Big Country. I'm going to do a upgrade on my computer. This is what I had got here today. Right here is the XLR8. This is 16 gigabyte of RAM of memory. And what I'm gonna do, the guy at Best Buy said this will work for my computer. Now, I was looking on YouTube on a lot of things, and they were telling me that I have to match what I have on there. But eventually, we're gonna try it out and see if it works on it. So, basically, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take this back off, take this off, and I'll probably do a little wire management while we're at it. See, we did a little something here. So I'll probably do a little wire management while I'm at it too. And but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this on and let's get busy. Okay, now see over there, I done take it apart. I done pull the power supply. Now I gotta take this off. Okay, what you got to do here, and hope you can see if I can put a little light up in here. This piece right here, you got to take this off. Now I learned this when I was looking at YouTube. I hope I can take that screw off. Okay, and then push that popped out, pull up, boom. Now we got the, let's cut this first before we open this right here. Now there's another thing I have to do. Let's see if I can turn the light on here. Okay, so another thing I have to do is these two slots I got to put in these two slots. I got to change this here, whatnot. And look how dirty it is. See, I have to take it and get it cleaned out. You know, it's so filthy, it's so dirty. But I got some Q-tip swabs here, and this is probably the wrong thing to do, you know, but you know, it's so dirty and that I don't want to blow no dust, but I'm gonna take it and basically get it clean and stuff and all that. Okay, now I'm supposed to take this power supply, hit that, and it's supposed to come out. Unlock, okay, unlock. There we go. And the power supply comes undone. Now, it do need cleaning. Look at that. I'm looking at that. Let me see if I'm showing you this. See this, it need cleaning. See, it need cleaning real bad. It need cleaning real bad. So I'm gonna take it to someone and let them clean it out for me. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I thought it was liquid. I thought this thing was liquid here. And stuff. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is this. And no, you can't see it, and I can't. Let me see if I can turn it a little more to this light right here. Probably still can't see. Yeah, probably still can't see. I don't have my flashlight with me. Now, this right here is what we're gonna take out. This right here. So so what we're gonna do here, let me put it right here a little closer. I'll cover this here. We gotta pull this thing down, pull that away, pull that down, pull that up, oops, and it pop out. This is the memory. See, this is the memory for it. Though. Now, trying to see it. Now, what I want to do, see, this is gonna be the memory thing. We're gonna cut it and see if this here works. I want to put this back in the slot it came in, and I want to put it. Oh man, come on! I want to put this here in this slot. Okay, and I hope I'm getting it in. But it pulled here a snap. I'm not hearing the snap. It's not snapping. Okay, move this out the way here. Move that out the way. There you go. There you go. All right. Now, I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to say, y'all probably can't see what I'm doing because I ain't got the camera at the right angle so you can see it. But close that and put this, so I can put the light up here. Now we're gonna put this one in. snap this up. This thing way bigger. I don't know. There you go. There you go. Now we put the other one in. Hit this down. That down. Hit that up. Let's see, I don't know. It's gonna work with these here. Snap. Hold on. Okay. Let that snap. Okay. Okay. Snap. Snap. Now, see, I got a mean. It's one more slot. It's one more slot there that I can use. And but what we're gonna do, we're gonna close this. We're gonna close this up, fire it up, and see if it works. All right. All right. You see, I closed the case right here. I close it. Make sure it's locked. Close it. Now we're not gonna close this case, okay? So we can go back over here. Plug it up. Put everything back on. And see, is it gonna work with that card on there, okay? Let's cut it on. See if it booted up. It's saying the amount of system memory has changed. If you do not change your memory, to resolve the issue, try to reset the memory. Strike F1 to continue, F2 to set up, F2 to run the setup utility. Okay. It's up. Yeah, get off the. I don't want to do no survey. Get off. Look, right here you go, right here. See right there? 24 gigabytes. Now, when I first had it, it had 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now it's saying 24 gigabytes of RAM. So, it's doing like it should be, like, you know, it is reading both of them. Both of the new ones. So I'm getting 24 gigabytes of RAM. So it is picking up them 3. Okay, now this the thermal management. Okay, the CPU sensor is 63. Okay. All looks good. The cooler running at 30, 29 to 31%. That's good. The fan, okay. So it's not the 3 fans, the cooler and the fan is not running hot. That is a great thing. It's not running hot. I like that. It's not, you know. Let's look at this over here. Okay. There's the password stuff. Creative mode, but you see it's not running hot. I'm gonna look and see what it supposed to run on and stuff. Like these 63, the fans doing at 19%, the computer fans, the cooler at 29%, front fan 20. So that's good. I guess it's good. But we're gonna we definitely gonna look up and see what the temperature basically should be. You know. Yeah, so we'll look on YouTube, see what the temperature going to be. But all that looking kind of good. Let me turn this down right here. What we got here? Still cleaning up. This at 19%. So it's going to be a while when they finish formatting and all that. But, yeah, it seems like everything's running good. It's running smooth. I'm finna put this cover on. After they finish doing all this, doing all that, I'm gonna put the cover back on, and I'm gonna look up the video card and some other things. There's 2 other things I'm gonna do on this end because I want this to be a powerful computer. You know, this is the Aurora R6, and I see people on YouTube who got the same type of computer make it real powerful. So that's what I want to do too. I want to be real powerful because, especially get that bigger video card, that better video card, because you see it right here, I got 2 monitors on it. I eventually want to put a 3rd monitor, and so I plan to buy another monitor on so play the video games on. So I see a desk I'm thinking about getting. It's like probably 50 inches, 50 or 60 inches. I'm gonna build it myself. And stuff. I'll probably get the top part. Get it Friday. I gotta go order the legs and stuff and all that. So I'm gonna have it right. I got to find somebody who could paint it. I could paint it myself and varnish it, you know, because I want that good varnish, clear color on it. Yeah, so, and then I might move it. If I put it here, I might put it over there by the window because I want to put my bed, come back over. Well, not if I do that, I might put it over against the wall and stuff like that there. But yeah, you see that the 2 memories, extra memory, extra RAM work. I got 24 gigabytes of RAM now. I think about buying, I'll probably do this week, buy another one and take the 8 gigabytes that come with it off and put the other 2 on to get me 48 gigs. There, 16, 32, it'd be 32. 32 gigs, yeah. So, yeah. So tell me what you think in the comment section. That's the first time I ever worked on a computer. I don't know nothing about computers, but I had looked YouTube down. I mean, I study everything. I study it. I look at so many stuff on YouTube that it got my memory of what to do. And like I said, the next thing I might get is the video card. And the video card is very easy. Just pop it out, boom, boom, boom. So yeah, that's probably the next thing I'll probably end up getting. I see some of the price range of $299 to $500. I gotta go on my site and get one cheaper. But yeah, yeah. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Something that I could do at your own. Let me know. I'm learning as we go. Something get difficult, you don't believe me, I will take this computer to someone else. I'm gonna call my my home rental insurance, and add the computer on my rental insurance, because something happened to it I want it fixed. So, but let me get out of here. I'm on. It's 6 o'clock. I'm gonna do some DDP yoga and get ready for bed for tomorrow. So, peace.